Come test drive the 2015 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, heated and cooled front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.